Hello, this is Dennis with A1 Telephone Service and Repair, A1 Electronics. You can reach us on the web at www.a1-telephone.com, and you can also reach us at 618-235-6959. Today I want to show you a really cool single slot payphone, and this is Lee's equipment from VA, and this is the initial checkout of this really cool payphone. Now we want to run through a little bit about what's going on with this unit. This payphone has had a conversion in the past, and the conversion really wasn't a complete conversion, although it did work for many years. And so basically what's happened is the processor on the main PC board of the original equipment has reverted back to wanting to take money. So the payphone is looking for change to work properly, and it's caused all kinds of issues. It has a very low receive volume. There's also some issues with the transmit. We found a lot of other issues with connections, and so we need to take care of all that. And the bell is out of adjustment, so we need to work on the bell also. What we need to do to take care of some of the issues with this payphone wanting change to work properly is we need to reconfigure the processor. So we want to work around the processor and tell the processor that it doesn't need any change to work properly, and it does not need a read back from the coin validator. Even though this unit is not set up to take any change, you can run change through it and into the cash box area. But the unit is missing some electronics off of the coin validator, and the unit is looking for the read back from those components and that circuitry. We will be going through the entire payphone while it's in the shop and taking care of any issues that we find. We have a lot of work that needs to be done. We want to get a start on this unit. We'll go ahead and take some still pictures of this really cool single slot payphone, and we'll come back and get some more video as we move forward in the troubleshooting, reconfiguring, and repairing process. We'll take a short break and we'll be right back. Okay, we're back now, and we're finished up with a repair and reconfiguration of the processor, and we took care of all the other issues. Now what we want to do is go ahead and start our final checkout. We also want to mention that we have an amplified pickup connected to the network on the inside of the payphone so that you can hear the audio from a receiver. And basically I have an amplifier backed by the video. It has a button on it. When I press the button, I can give dial tone or take it away at any time. And since it's an open amplifier, it is prone to any static interference or noise in the atmosphere. And I'm going to go ahead and press the button. You may hear a little bit of an electronic hum. I'll release it. Press it one more time. and release it. So if you hear any noise during the final checkout, it will be coming from the amplifier and not the payphone. Now what we want to do is go ahead and use the analyzer and send a ring cycle like you were getting a call. So we'll start that. We'll let that go a few times. I'll let it go one more time and we'll give you some dial tone. Now what we want to do is walk through our numbers. If you watch the analyzer, you'll watch the numbers roll by. I'm going to end in a 2. Now I want to transmit into the handset. If you watch that red light on the analyzer, every time you see that red light light up, that's an indication of 100% modulation on transmit. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Hello, hello. Go ahead and hang our handset up. Now that we know that we're ringing in on a ring cycle, we're dialing out, we have transmit and receive. We can go ahead and press this button on the switch box. That'll give us a line out, totally take the analyzer out of the situation, and we'll call a time and temp number. Go ahead and give you some dial tone. And we'll make that call.
To hear the time and temperature, no need to press any buttons on your phone. Just stay on the line. Today is Thursday, December 17th. The current time, 6:52 p.m. and the temperature, 37 degrees.
We can go ahead and hang up. Now what we can do is call my number and it'll be busy. Give you some dial tone. And we can go ahead and make that call. Go ahead and hang our handset up. Now that we know that this really cool single slot payphone has been repaired, we can return this unit back to Lee and he can enjoy this payphone once again. I'm sure it's going to look great wherever it's installed. This is Dennis with A1 Telephone Service and Repair, A1 Electronics. You can reach us on the web at www.a1-telephone.com. And you can also reach us at 618-235-6959. Thank you for watching and have a great day.